Hello folks, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can integrate Particle.js background animation in your React project. You have to follow some simple 5 steps. Let me go through it. First step, know little bit about TS Particle.js. Let me show you the website. Yeah, Particle.js or I also embedded the link in that particular blog. Now, as you can see, the present theme is hexagon. Let me change the theme. Let me choose Among Us. Yeah, it seems little bit great. You can see the background animation and particles are floating from left to right. Okay, yeah, just you have to click the export button. Okay, yeah, you can see it's downloaded. Whenever you can click that particular file format which is in JSON. Okay, this is a piece of code you have to integrate in particle.js file. I've already written how you can integrate. Okay, yeah, the code which you are downloaded, just you have to paste in that particular option section. Okay, yeah, this is till here. Okay, let me show you something else. Yeah, till now you have gained some knowledge how you can integrate and how you can download through export button which theme you were liking. Let me go to my blog. Yeah, now next step you have to create React tab. Okay, as you can see, just open terminal in your VS Code and just type this piece of code and px create React app. Now if you are facing any difficulty, you can definitely check it out React official documentation. Now third step, you have to install that particular library which you can see the background animation of that particular particle. Some are sparkling, some are floating from left to right. Okay, you can choose what you like. Now if next step, you have already installed that library. Now if you face difficulty by installing that particular library, you can use minus force after that piece of code. Now I also embedded particle.js useful link. Whenever you click, you can head fourth step. Just you have to create component. Okay, inside the source folder. Let me show you. Yeah, this way. This source folder, you have to create one folder of name components, and just you have to create one JSX file, that is particle.js. This is the file. Just copy the code to that in that particular file which you have created. Suppose I have created, just you have to, now first step, you have created a component folder, and inside that component folder you have created one particle.js file. After that, just you have to paste this code. Simply you have to just paste this code. Okay, just copy and paste this code. Okay, whole code will be shown here. Now next step is, if you want to change the background theme, suppose for now my background theme is, yeah, this is Among Us. Okay, yeah, if you find any difficulty how you can change theme, just you have to control and F in your VS code, you can find that. Okay, just the file you have downloaded for that theme, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, till this one, line 661. Now next step is, you have to import your particle.jsx file into your app.jxx. Okay, now you can also paste this code. This will definitely work well for you. If you are new to React or facing any difficulty till now, you can directly just copy this code, and just we have to, yeah, all this import background file which we are pasted. Okay, just click particle.background from particle components. Okay, now you can see the output result. It works finally well. This is the whole code, and don't change anything else. Just follow the vlog